Hello, welcome to week five's HR workshop presentation. My name is Abel Mendoza, and today is Sunday, February the 7th, 2021. One thing to keep in mind while listening and viewing this presentation is that this presentation aims to demonstrate how statistics are, are fostered to determine who the winner of the 2023 Team of the Year award will be, and after weighing all the data, you will choose to cast your vote. When comparing the year-over-year average customer satisfaction ratings for the Terminal Pros and Coffee Crew teams, I can immediately see that the Coffee Crew team, or otherwise known as CC, are averaging their ratings as more consistent than the Terminal Pros or TP. In other words, although the TP team chart denotes 3 5s and 2 4 ratings out of the 12 counts, they also have 4 2 ratings. In contrast, the CC team maintaining their average ratings between 3 and 4 consistently. Thus, the CC team chart impresses more than their counterparts. We can also visualize how the Terminal Pros team chart displays a decline in the average ratings, while the CC team rating scores are consistently steady throughout the years, therefore making the CC team with the better average score over time and the Terminal Pros team with the declining score over time. On the other hand, the descriptive statistics toolpack as displayed on the right of this slide tells me that for the TP team, the arithmetic mean is 3.33 and for the CC team is 3.5. The CC team's mean denotes how their average rating is still higher than the TP's. The descriptive statistics toolpack also marks 2 as the TP team's mode and 4 for the CC team. These statistic results also indicate that the Coffee Crew team has a higher, more frequent rating than the Terminal Pros team, thus demonstrating a better average score for the Coffee Crew team when analyzing the results from the values of central tendencies. If we were to estimate and visually predict using the best fit line, we will first need to enter 2 to 3 additional periods to forecast with the Excel function forecast.est. This function will tell us which team will perform better over time. After plugging in the cell ranges into our function, we can visually see how the CC team will have a better future performance than the TP team, as demonstrated on the forecast column to the right of the slide. This making the TP team with the declining scores and the CC team with the highest constant scores, as demonstrated on the slide here. To have a better visual of the forecast data we've just viewed, we can also put a linear forecast chart, a trend line, and display the R-square on the graph to determine which team has the best fit line as shown on this team forecast chart. Please note that the TP on the legend stands for Terminal Pros and CC for Coffee Crew. On the other hand, as learned in our previous week, Unit 4, the higher the R squared, the better the model fits the data, thus alluding to how the model explains all variabilities of the data responses around its mean. Our team forecast chart here showcases the R squared for the TP team as 0.0012 and the CC team as 0.6031. As a result, the closest the coefficient of determination to 1, the regression line is then a good fit. Therefore, after carefully evaluating the year-over-year average customer satisfaction ratings for both teams, I can objectively conclude that the Coffee Crew team is the winner of the 2023 Team Award and to whom I will cast my vote. As always, thank you for taking the time to view and hear my presentation today. And thank you so much and cheers. Have a good day.